tropa ko dito ay magde-decide kung ipagpapatuloy niya ba yung pag-rap niya o hindi. Okay ba yan, everyone? Mga judge tayo, no? Mga judger. Husgahan natin yung talent ni Keith Floro. But I'm telling you, this dude is crazy. So let me call on my best friend, Keith Floro. Come on, man!
Yeah!
Yes, sir.
Dubai, what up? How y'all doing?
Yes, sir.
Y'all good?
Man, show them what you got, alright? But first, itong song na to, dahil nila bago naging lover boy, and then na-release namin pang broken na song. And the song is called Stay the Night. At si Keith Floro yung gumawa ng lahat ng to. But first, tell them what this song is all about, bro.
I got you.
Yes, sir. Go.
Alright, guys, so, y'all make some noise if you ever been in love before. Alright? Just wanna understand that y'all understand what I'm about to get into, you know what I'm saying? So, you guys ever been in love before, right? Yeah? So, y'all ever been so in love with somebody before that you didn't even realize that it wasn't even there anymore? You know what I'm saying? Or you were like so hypnotized by this person that you realized she was gone the whole time. You know what I'm saying? She was gone, she was right in front of you. What happened? Right? So you think, the delusions of love, you think that everything is good, you can fix everything in one night. You say, baby, come through, we gonna fix everything. Come through, spend the night, it's just not how it works, you know what I'm saying? And so this is kind of what the song is about. Delusions of love. Something that you thought wasn't right in front of you and it's just not there anymore. You understand what I'm saying?
Warning. The song will give you LSSSSSSSXS. And pag nasasabayan nyo ng kanta, pwede nyo ba kaming sabayan kumanta, everyone? Mga tropa, mga tropa. Alright? The song sounds like this. Stay the night, we get so loving, I just make it right, make it right. We get so touching, got you feeling right, we get so loving, I just make it right, make it right.
Gotta see it that you never know. Sleeping demons and I never show. Keep on dreaming, I never glow. Keeping on the low, certain feeling is incredible. Used to have it over when the times are rough. Late October, all the finest baby got sober, wasn't high enough. When days got colder, there was time for us. But if you
stay the night, get to love and I just make you right, we get to touch and got you feeling right, we get to love and I just make you right, Go kill it.
didn't know me like you do. I feel your pain like it's voodoo. I hear your name and I'm cuckoo. It's too true to see your face like a full moon. I just spit truth, but you sip tea. Now I pour it up and I'm 15. Know what it do, you was with me, but simply it's miss you, but you don't miss me. See, I had to do what I had to do, giving me that attitude, the damage, boo. Everybody after you, what's savage, fool? Every lady after you, have school. Every time I reminisce, it comes a premonition of a better vision and a mental prison of forever missing. All just to be the message every single time. But the snitches just know I couldn't get it done.
Stay the night, we get some love and I just make you right, we get to touch and got you feeling right, we get to love and I just make you right, Come on, make some noise for Keith Floro right here! You know what? Hindi lang si Keith Floro yung tropa ko na kasama dito. Kasama ko rin lahat ng kapatid ko dito sa likod. On my hard ride, ito yung bunso namin sa banda, guys. Bunso namin sa banda, ha? His name is Zil. In the count of 3, Zil will make a guitar solo. Oh yeah, come on. 1, 2, 3, go kill it, bunso. Let's go. On my left, my boy, Mr. Loisy Costales. 1, 2, 3, go on. Okay. My dude right here. Sino yung nagbigay ng aso ko na mahal ko, si Kambing. Shout out to my dude, Kambing. Ang tatay ni Kambing. Sino on the count of 3. My dude can make a sing solo. Come on. 1, 2. Come on, come with me. 1, 2. Wait, sino dito fan ng SB19? Mag-ingay, come on, come on. My dudes, sino dito fan ni Scott Sagliati Flow G, meron ba? Sino dito fan ng Dilaw, meron ba? I just wanna flex, my boy right here is the music director, Mr. Sam De Leon. Show them what you got, my boy. Recto. Twist. Kasi teacher ko to si Kuya JB. Ngayon, tropa ko na siya. Teacher JB, show them what you got. 2, 3, come on, let's go, my boy. Brother right here, Mr. Brian Siasa. Go kill it, my boy.